Hello and welcome to the Digestion revision video from scienceworksheets.co.uk. Please like, subscribe and comment to support the channel. Digestion is the process of breaking down large insoluble food molecules into smaller soluble ones. Following digestion, the broken down nutrients are absorbed into the blood using villi, which are in the small intestine. The digestive system is an example of an organ system in which several organs work together to digest and absorb food. The digestive system is made up of the alimentary canal, which is known as the gut, plus accessory organs. The alimentary canal is a tube through which food passes, and this includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Accessory organs, the food doesn't pass through them, but they help with digestion. These include the salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. In the mouth, the teeth chew the food in mechanical digestion to break the food up into smaller pieces. Smaller pieces of food are easier to swallow and it increases the surface area for enzymes to act on. The salivary glands secrete saliva into the mouth. Saliva contains the enzyme amylase, which breaks down starch into sugars. The esophagus is a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. The wall of the esophagus contracts behind the food to force the food downwards towards the stomach. These muscular contractions are called peristalsis. The wall of the stomach contains muscle which contracts to churn the food mechanically, breaking it up into smaller pieces to increase the surface area. Stomach produces protease enzymes which break down protein into amino acids. Hydrochloric acid is secreted by the stomach to kill bacteria on the food, preventing food poisoning, and it also provides the optimum pH for protease enzymes. The liver produces bile, whilst the gallbladder stores bile. Bile will flow from the gallbladder down the bile duct into the small intestine. Bile will emulsify fats. This means it disperses large globules of fat into smaller droplets of fat, which have a larger surface area for the enzyme lipase to act on. The pancreas produces carbohydrate enzymes such as amylase. The pancreas will also produce enzymes such as lipase and protease. All of these enzymes flow from the pancreas through the pancreatic duct and into the small intestine. The small intestine produces protease and lipase enzymes. Protease breaks down protein into amino acids. Lipase breaks down lipids, which are also known as fats, into fatty acids and glycerol. Digestion of the food is completed in the small intestine, and the nutrients are absorbed into the blood by villi, which line the small intestine. The large intestine absorbs water from the remains of the food. The remains then form feces, which is stored in the rectum before being passed out through the anus in the process of egestion. Thank you for watching. See our revision notes, the link is in the description.